everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Farah Dinardiati. I'm from Management 23B, and today I will present about motivation. What the meaning of motivation? Imagine you really want the delicious slice of cake, but you gotta get through this workout first. That craving, that's motivation, is the inner force that gets you going towards something you want. Motivation is not just about traits, though. It can be anything that gets you moving in the right direction. Maybe you wanna learn a new language, or finally be the level in your favorite game. Whatever it, motivation is like your personal cheerleaders giving you that you got this feeling. It's not always sunshine and rainbow thoughts. Motivation can come and go, but that's okay. The important thing is to figure out what gets you pumped and what you're working toward. That way, even when you are feeling a little blah, you can remind yourself why you start and keep chasing your goals. Okay, what is motivation internal? Internal motivation is basically doing stuff for the fun of it. It's like when you're so into a game you lose track of time, or you bake a cake just cause you wanna eat yummy cake and maybe impress some people. You're not doing it for a prize or a good grade. You're doing it because it's enjoyable or you find it interesting. Think of it like this: external motivation is chasing a car on a stick, while internal motivation is jumping in a pile of leaves because, well, leaves are awesome. Here are some examples of internal motivation. 1. Learning a new skill. You decide to take up painting because you always been fascinated by colors and creativity. You enjoy the process of learning new technique and seeing your progress over time. 2. Playing a sport. You love the feeling of competition and the rush of adrenaline you get from playing basketball with your friend. You find the game itself enjoyable, win or loss. 3. Reading a book. You get lost in a captivating story and enjoy the mental stimulation of exploring new world and ideas. You will not mind reading even if there will not book report of creating involved. What is motivation external? External motivation is like doing stuff for a side benefit, not because it is inherently awesome. It's the work for the weekend mentality. You might slug through a boring job because you gotta get that paycheck, or study for a test just to avoid your parents' wrath. Think of it like this: internal motivation is playing a game because it's fun. Well, external, external, well, external motivation is playing for the high score someone else get to see. It's not bad, but it's not the same kind of enjoyment. Here are some examples of external motivation. 1. Working for a paycheck. You might not particularly love your job, but you need the money to pay your bills and support yourself. The paycheck is the external motivator that keeps you going. 2. Studying for a test. You might find the subject boring, but you know you need the pass. But you know you need to pass to the get a good grade or avoid summer school. The external the external pressure of getting a good grade is what motivates you study. Overcoming obstacles. Motivation is essential, but it's also important to acknowledge the obstacles that can stand in our way. Fear of failure, lack of confidence, and external pressure can all diminish our drive. However, by setting clear goals, creating a positive environment, and surrounding ourselves with supportive people, we can overcome this challenge. Technique that can help is visualization. By picturing ourselves achieving our goals, we can increase our motivation and make our dream feel more attainable. Additionally, breaking down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks can make the journey less daunting and keep us motivated along the way. Then, staying motivated. Staying motivated requires ongoing effort and strategies. Here are a few tips. 1. Set specific 1. Set specific goals. Clear, achievable goals give you a sense of direction and purpose. 2. Reward yourself. Celebrate small victory to stay motivated and maintain momentum. 3. Stay positive. A positive mindset can keep you motivated even during challenging times. 4. Find inspiration. Look the role models, read motivation books, or listen to inspiring talks. Remember, motivation is not a constant state. It's natural to experience fluctuation. The important thing is to recognize when your motivation is waning and take steps to reignite the spark. Who, the famous figure of motivation and what their quotes? Absolutely. There is a more professional take on the same Indonesian figures and their quotes. Maudy Ayunda, a prominent figure in Indonesian entertainment and academia. Maudy Ayunda is not only an accomplished actress, singer, and songwriter, but also a graduate of Oxford University. Her quote, "Education is not merely the rote memorization of facts. It is the cultivation of critical thinking, problem-solving skill, and adaptability." This quote highlights Maudy emphasis on the importance of well-rounded education that goes beyond simple acquiring knowledge. 2. Jerome Pauline, widely recognized for his engaging YouTube channel, Jerome Pauline has garnered a significant following through his informative and entertaining content focused on his experience as a mathematics student in Japan. One of his quotes is, "Lifelong learning is paramount. Regardless of your chosen field, there will always be no knowledge waiting to be discovered." Jerome quote emphasizes the value of continuous learning and exploration, regardless of one chosen discipline. 3. Najwa Shihab. Najwa Shihab is a famous presenter who graduated from University of Indonesia. Najwa Shihab is highlight the host of Mata Najwa program. The quote is, "Don't be afraid to ask questions, because sometimes the most important things you learn are the things you don't already know." Najwa Shihab's quote reminds us that asking questions is a crucial part of the learning process. It shows us willingness to explore, challenge assumptions, and ultimately be motivated to seek new understanding. Now, it's time for us to end this presentation. In conclusion, motivation is the driving force behind our achievement. It empowers us to pass short challenges, overcome obstacles, and ultimately reach our goals. by understanding and harnessing the power of both intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, setting clear goals, and staying positive, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. So, I challenge you today. What is your dream? What is the one goal that set your soul on fire? Hold onto the vision, fuel it with unwavering motivation, and watch as you turn your dreams into reality. Thank you and see you next time.